Commitment in a romantic relationship is a significant milestone that both partners aspire to achieve. For many women, understanding what it takes to make a man commit can be a complex puzzle. While it's important to remember that each individual and relationship is unique, there are 5 key emotions and factors that often influence a man's decision to commit to a woman. In this video, we'll explore these 5 things a man must feel that will encourage him to commit to a woman. 1. Emotional connection. The foundation of any meaningful commitment is a deep emotional connection. A man must feel a strong and genuine emotional bond with his partner. This connection goes beyond physical attraction and extends to shared values, interests, and a sense of understanding and trust. When a man feels emotionally connected to a woman, he's more likely to envision a future together, making commitment a natural next step. 2. Respect and appreciation. Respect and appreciation are fundamental in any healthy relationship. For a man to commit, he must feel that his partner respects him for who he is and appreciates his qualities and contributions. A woman can foster commitment by acknowledging his efforts, supporting his goals, and making him feel valued. When a man feels respected and appreciated, he's more inclined to invest in a long-term commitment. 3. Trust and security. Trust and security are vital for commitment to flourish. A man needs to feel safe and secure in the relationship, both emotionally and physically. Trust is built through open communication, honesty, and consistency. When a woman creates an environment of trust and security, a man is more likely to envision a future with her and commit to the relationship. 4. Independence and freedom. While it may seem counterintuitive, giving a man space and the freedom to pursue his own interests is crucial for commitment. A man must not feel suffocated or restricted in the relationship. Encouraging his independence and allowing him to maintain his own identity can make him feel more secure and willing to commit. When a woman respects his need for personal space and freedom, he's more likely to choose commitment willingly. 5. Shared future and compatibility. A man must feel that he and his partner are on the same page when it comes to their future and life goals. Shared values, goals, and dreams create a sense of compatibility that is essential for commitment to take root. When a man envisions a future with a woman that aligns with his own aspirations, he's more likely to commit, as the relationship becomes a means to achieve those shared goals. Conclusion. In summary, making a man commit to a woman involves creating an emotional connection, showing respect and appreciation, building trust and security, allowing independence, and sharing a vision for the future. While these factors are important, it's crucial to remember that every person and relationship is unique. The key is open communication and understanding each other's needs and desires. By fostering these emotions and factors, women can increase the likelihood of inspiring a man to commit to a long and fulfilling relationship.